No, I'm mad. I just play on Fenway.
Fenway was tight, but towards the end it was kind of sketchy. You know how Wrigley has like those flags in center, like the machine names?
Oh, so you got a hit?
No, I'm managing, my guy.
Yeah, but yeah. Hold on.
Oh, and he kicks it. What's the score right now? Zero off to the top of the first.
Not a good start, Bennett.
Yeah, you gotta run the bases. Hey, you gotta try. You gotta try.
Oh, he's out of the baseline.
Yeah. You got a double. Hits the other ball.
Got it. I think he was out.
Okay, make the call.
I think it's safe.
Yeah, we can call it. So I can even review it if I need
Catch it,
to.
Luke.
Caught.
Don't throw it.
Tagging up to third.
I didn't know where to put it. And then Jason, like, we're like on our way to after Jason goes to flush the toilet. Low tier.
And all theirs.
Yeah, we're good.
In between our games. Oh, it's dropped. And they scored another run. 6-2.
Between games.
Ethan, get the curls out of your eyes and catch the damn ball.
Pews with an error. And this is Ethan Pews, not Ben. I'm Ben.
That's Mr. Suffer. Who is? Joey. You played at Suffer Christian? What's your last name?
Oh, what a catch.
Wow, Dave.
What a catch. Shoestring grab right there. In the inning. 6-2. 6-2 after first.
Yeah, for sure. And then we can.
So he can't come this afternoon. And then we're missing Kevin Holm. He was here last time. He has baseball. That sounds good.
I'll see you, bro.
See you, man. Long single. Oh, got him. 6-2. Alright, so that was game 6-2. Run.
Yeah, that'd be correct. Maybe figure it out over there, Angels in the outfield. Appreciate it. Needed that. Hey, I'm
Back
glad you're
to
turning
back
it up.
jacks. 2-0.
I'm inspired by you turning it up. What's up? Can we relocate to Montreal? This game fucking sucks. That's fucking good.
He's probably the only pitcher in the league that can get you out.
That is true.
About
Bye-bye.
Why'd you
Being out.
Run.
Set off this one.
Hang him.
Got him.
Hey, Grosso.
Got him on the peg.
get out of here.
3-0 solo shot. Three-zero going in the bottom of the second. Two on, no out.
Let's go, Luke.
A home run will tie it.
No, she doesn't. Yeah. Why?
One out.
I don't know.
Base is juiced. A home run could take the lead. Oh, and they take the lead on a grand slam. 4-3. Second.
I never doubted David.
This is the bottom of the second, I think. Okay.
Let's see. No, don't.
Got him. Going top three, right? Top three? Top three, 4-3.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Sure that wasn't long?
Hey, I'm pretty sure it was all four.
One out away. One out away.
Yeah, that was actually four.
I was trying to play up.
No, both. Get somewhere, Ethan.
That's the game.
That's what we work on, Ethan.
Dude, that would have been a tie ball game.
Yeah. Going into game 3, series tied. team either. Start the game with a walk. Didn't play. Steps back on the mound. He stepped on the mound though, so second's out, right?
Seconds out. Seconds out.
You got the force out. You got the force out at second because you stepped on the mound. So first is there, second's out.
Russell, I don't know why you threw it second. He was already out.
Yeah, because you stepped on the mound. Into right field. Oh, makes the one-handed snag. What a grab. Go on the bottom first. 0-0. It's a deep into the center. He's rounding. They score 1 run. 1-0 on the double.
Let's go. What, right it?
Got the out at third. It's gonna force out. Right? They get the lead runner, right?
Yeah, lead runner. Lead force runner. Lead force.
Oh, it's not a force? Oh, then he's out at first?
Yeah, he's
Oh, okay, then you're good.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I thought. Dude, that's what we all agree. That's what
It's
was.
kind of like the unspoken agreement of this whole thing.
Yeah, that's
like, hey, we stole this from you, so we'll let you make some money off of it.
Hey, I'm not complaining. I do not mind living. Ball 4 for Damien. Is that Luke?
Ben, do you think that Frazier's a future?
No. He's not even.
Hey, I love how we're doing that. That's really awesome. That was really awesome and necessary. Done a good job of that. Wow, that was fun.
Wow, that was dirty. Grosso ends the inning. No. 1-0.
Go.
Knock up the middle from TNXL, number 1. He's
Go to second.
he's safe again.
Send it.
That's a ball don't lie right there.
Wait for the wind to die.
No. All right. If he hits the sign, it was really close. If
Oh my God.
No, we're gonna stay true to ball don't lie. That is fair. You know what it is? It's that curly hair is blocking the reception. Oh, that one's deep. Grosso.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Ben, how much would you give me to sell my team to Wrigley? Like Valley Sports?
Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah, get there.
I think instead of Grosso's team being the misfits, you might be the misfits.
Give me some good guys.
Yeah, but how am I gonna get ground rule double for this guy? Sosa? I heard Sosa.
So you what, you got 8 franchises? Like, it's not as tiny as it looks.
Damien punches out the first batter.
We forgot the outs. I mean, they got 2 lanes, so you can get out of there.
Grosso flies to deep center field, Hughes is under it, and tracks it in. Out number 2. That concludes the bottom of the second. We have a score of 3-0.
Damien, you were the last out, right?
Sandlot Sluggers are up 3-0, looking for the rubber match of the game. And the Cork Screws are now down to their final 2 outs of the series.
We only have 6 balls.
It was electric.
Were you on the team last year? I wish you could have seen me till the club.
D-Reich, 3 down to their last out of the series. Down 3-0. 1 out. Oh, that ball is deep.
That's gone.
It is out of here. Damian Torres makes it a 3-2 ball game. How much was it? Like a essential. McGraw. We got a 3-2 ball game. Cover. It's only a few minutes fast. Just a few minutes.
A couple minutes, it'll be